New Haven Ranch is an exceptional 2,422-acre cattle and hunting ranch located northwest of Hulett, Wyoming, in the heart of the Wyoming Black Hills. Consisting of roughly 2,182 deeded acres and 260 acres of BLM lease, the ranch combines productive native grass country, dependable water resources, quality improvements, and outstanding wildlife habitat into a property that is equally suited for ranching and recreation. Positioned approximately 19 miles northwest of Hulett, the property offers an excellent combination of privacy, accessibility, and convenience, sitting within an area well known for strong elk populations and quality hunting opportunities. Elevation changes create a landscape of timbered ridges, sweeping valleys, open grasslands, productive hay meadows, and sheltered creek bottoms. The diversity of the terrain is one of the ranch's defining characteristics, providing both operational functionality and exceptional wildlife habitat. Covered with healthy stands of mature ponderosa pine, bur oak, and other native trees, the timbered ridges and drainages create natural travel corridors, bedding areas, and protection from the elements, while open meadows and native grass pastures provide quality forage for both livestock and game. Water is one of the standout features and most important assets of New Haven Ranch. Near the center of the property sits a beautiful 7-acre lake that serves as both an outstanding fishery and an important water source for wildlife. Two primary drainages, TL Creek and Music Creek, wind through the ranch carrying seasonal water. Furthermore, an extensive pipeline system supplies 15 concrete stock tanks strategically located throughout the property, ensuring reliable water distribution for livestock and wildlife even during dry years. Numerous reservoirs, ponds, the lake, and seasonal flows strengthen the ranch's water profile. New Haven Ranch is a well-balanced and highly functional cattle operation that has benefited from careful stewardship for more than 3 decades. The ranch is supported by the extensive water distribution network and cross-fencing that allows for efficient rotational grazing. The ranch is rated to support approximately 130 cow-calf pairs without utilizing the hay meadows for grazing, which could increase the overall carrying capacity. Historically, the ranch has also supported approximately 450 to 500 yearlings during the summer grazing season. New Haven Ranch offers exceptional year-round recreational opportunities and is particularly known for its outstanding hunting. The ranch's bur oaks produce a valuable acorn crop that serves as an important seasonal food source. Consequently, the ranch supports healthy populations of both mule deer and white-tailed deer, while elk regularly utilize the ranch throughout the year, and Merriam's turkeys are abundant across the property, offering recreational opportunities that rival those of many larger ranches in northeastern Wyoming. The improvements at New Haven Ranch are practical, well-maintained, and designed to support both comfortable living and efficient operations. The headquarters features a spacious 5-bedroom, 5.5-bathroom main lodge, complemented by 3 rustic guest cabins that blend naturally into the Black Hills landscape. Supporting the ranch's agricultural operations is a substantial 50 feet by 170 feet Quonset, designed for hay and equipment storage, alongside a functional set of corrals and a round pen built for efficient cattle handling. For more information and a private qualified showing, please call Dax Hayden or Jet Hadley today.